Hey guys, hope you all had a merry, joyful week. So today we are going to be making some sensory bottles. These are just fun, scientific stuff that everyone would love playing with, and it's also satisfying and calming to our minds. So without further ado, let's move on to making them. Let's look into the materials required. First, you will need two clear bottles, as I'll be making like two sensory bottles. For the first one, I have water and oil, and for the second one, I'll be using oil and some dish soap. I want to make these bottles look pretty, so I have some paint with me and also a thing to stir with. If you want to make your sensory bottles more attractive and fun, you may also add beads, sequins, glitter or anything you wish to add more texture to your sensory bottles. Before that, why do we all find it so difficult to wake up in the mornings? That is because of Newton's first law of motion, which says, a body at rest wants to remain at rest, just like we do. So first one is oil and water. I'll be using color to color both of these, and if you want you can let one remain uncolored. I'll also be using some science, which is density, which allows me to have more fun with my sensory bottles. So I decided to color my water yellow and I just left the oil uncolored. So yeah, now let's mix these two in. Sure you have a clean surface so that if anything spills it won't cause like trouble. So yeah, let's pour in the colored water. Cap this up and there you have your sensory bottle. So for the second one, I don't know if this will work, but I'll try adding dish soap. I just got it off some oil. So I guess most of it just like mixed with the water and dissolved in it, but yeah. So this was my take on the sensory bottles. I think if you use some galaxy colors or some nice combinations, I'm sure you'll get a prettier sensory bottle, but this was just my first try. And yeah, I think both of them turned out very good, and personally my favorite was the first one with oil and water. So yeah, even this one's pretty, but yeah. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to the Science Orb for quality content from my side. Also, don't forget to leave your comments and suggestions in the comment box, and also turn on the post notifications to never miss any of my uploads. Bye! Meet you next week!